ProtoPal is a research study aimed to explore the use of LLM-integrated VR applications for the purpose of rapid prototyping. Observations, UX curves, and semi-structured interviews were used as the data collection methods and were analyzed using thematic analysis. 2 VR applications were created, one with implemented LLM and one without. The participants were either XR developers or game developers, and they were tasked with prototyping a living room. The participants had 5 minutes to prototype in each application. 2 Oculus 2 headsets, with their respective controllers, were used as the hardware for the project. Unity was used to create the applications, together with the OpenXR toolkit. For the LLM, the integration of Hugging Face's similarity score algorithm and OpenAI Whisper was used. By analyzing the data, 4 main themes were found: A1 performance, LLM impact, and lastly preference and future use. The UX curves were used as a visual to represent how the users felt during the use of each application, where each colored lines represents the answers from the participants. During the research, it was found that both applications have the potential to become rapid prototyping tools in the future, but some adjustments would be necessary, especially for the LLM implemented one. It became apparent that due to the unfamiliarity of such a prototyping tool, users struggled to understand how to use it. As this type of application has barely been studied before, the application is in an early exploration state, making it have its limitations in the form of functionalities and previous knowledge of the users. In a future study, the authors suggest that the creation of a similar LLM application should include more features, as the one created for this research lacked features. Furthermore, it is suggested that in future studies, this type of LLM will be made more intelligent, and perhaps the inclusion of an extended AI rather than an LLM could help create a more intuitive, rapid prototyping experience. One final suggestion is to look more in depth at how this type of application could potentially help individuals with disabilities to rapid prototype.